Oh, gusto mo yan? Wait lang, para di ka na bumili ng hot chocolate sa labas, turuan kita. Promise, simple lang to pero lasang restaurant quality. So ito ang gagawin mo. Kuha ka ng sauce pot, lagyan mo ng 4 tablespoon cocoa powder, 3 pockets ng stevia, 70 grams na chopped dark chocolate. It would be nice if you're going to use good quality na cocoa powder and dark chocolate. And then you add 2 teaspoons of instant coffee. Then you add the 3 cups ng whole milk. Halo mo lang lahat, then medium heat lang, hintayin mo lang na matunaw siya, huwag mong madaliin. Pag okay na, hinaan mo yung apoy. Tapos add ka ng cornstarch slurry, 1 teaspoon cornstarch plus konting milk to dissolve the cornstarch. Ayan, halo mo lang, then makikita mo, magti-thicken na yan. Pero kung ayaw mo ng cornstarch, pwede naman all-purpose cream actually. Mas creamy nga lang siya if you want that kind of texture of the hot chocolate. Tapos, tikman mo lang, adjust to your liking, to your sweetness ba or mas bitter, it's up to you. Pero ito ha, yung recipe ko, medyo bitter to mildly sweet because I'm a trentahin guy. Anyway, so it's perfect for donuts, cheese rolls, or kahit anong gusto mong ipares. So, sige na, gawin mo na to. Thank me later. Enjoy!